Hello students, today in this class we learn about very important topic is e-waste management. So electronic wastage, e-wastage, e-scrap, waste electrical and electronic equipment, describe discarded electrical or electronic devices. So what are the electrical and electronic devices discarded? This particular form is known as electronic waste, e-waste or e-scrap. Electronic waste may also be defined as a discarded computer, office electronic equipment, entertainment device and electronics, mobile phones, television sets and refrigerators. These include used electronics which are destined for reuse, resale, salvage, recycling or disposable. So what is the e-waste disposable process? So e-waste management involves proper recycling and recovery of disposed material. The recycle and recovery includes the following unit operations. So our first is dismantling, removal of parts containing dangerous substances like CFC, HG switches containing copper, steel, iron, precious metal and containing parts. Second is segregation of ferrous metal, non-ferrous metal and plastic. So this separation is normally done in a shredder process. Third is refurbishment and reuse. Refurbishment and reuse of e-waste has potential for those use electrical and electronic equipments which can be easily refurbished to put to its original use. And fourth is recycling or recovery of valuable materials. So ferrous metals in electrical are furnaces and non-ferrous metals are in smelting plants, precious metal in separating works. And fifth process is treatment or disposal of dangerous material and waste. Shredder light shredder light Shredder light fraction is disposed of in a landfill sites or sometimes increased expensive. Chlorofluorocarbons like CFCs are treated thermally. Printed circuit board PCB is increased or disposed of in a underground storage. Mercury is often recycled or disposed in a underground landfill slides. So in this way we can e-waste disposable process done. So what are the benefits of e-waste recycling? The e-waste disposable and proper recycling is very much necessary and important for the benefit of people, environment and the nation. So what are the benefits? So allow for recovery of valuable precious metal. Most consumer electronics contain valuable material like copper, gold, zinc that can and should be recycled. Virgin materials are significantly more costly than recycled material for manufacturing. Second is protects public health and water quality. E-waste contain a variety of toxic substances which may include lead, mercury and cadmium. When e-waste is disposed into landfills, these toxins can be released into the atmosphere or leaked in through the land and have negative health and environmental effects. Create jobs. So recycling e-waste domestically creates job for professional recycles and refurbishes and creates new market for the valuable component that are dismantled. Fourth is toxic waste. Mining produce the toxic waste which are linked with the crop devastation and human health crisis due to water contamination. Fifth is saves landfill space. So e-waste is a growing waste stream. Recycling these items will help conserve landfill space. So in today's class we learn about what is e-waste management, what is e-waste disposable process and what are the benefits of e-waste recycling.